Hello everyone, and today what I want to show you is how to install a font on Mac OS X. Every once in a while you may be doing a project or you're creating a newsletter to send home and you want a different font than the ones that are available. There's a website called dafont.com that has some really cool fonts that you can use and easily install on your machine. When we look through here, there's some recently added ones. You can see there's lots of different ones. Or you can pick more of a certain theme if you're looking for something. So maybe I'm looking for something kind of decorative. I can come into here, and there's all these cool looking different fonts that I could use. And there are just, lots and lots of fonts. And all kinds of cool things that may look really neat in a class newsletter. For example, like maybe this one. Alright? So if I find one I like, all I have to do is hit download. It's going to ask me where I want to download it. One thing maybe I would recommend is maybe go into your documents and make a new folder, and I'll call it fonts. So I'm just saving these somewhere that I can find them really easily and quickly later. So I'm going to hit save, and my font is downloaded. Now, I'm using Google Chrome, so I could just come down here and click Show in Finder, and I'll find that font right away. Otherwise, you can go down here, click your Finder, and I put mine in my documents in a folder called Fonts. Now it's in a zip folder right now. All I have to do is double click it. It will automatically unzip it. Sometimes it will make a new folder titled the same thing with extra files. This one only had one font, so I could see it just came across through there. Now if I double click this, I get an option to install font. So I'll click install font. And now my font's installed. And what you'll see is if I open up Microsoft Word, let's go to a new document, I should see that font come in. That was called Little Bird. Oh, I don't see it in mine right away, so what I actually have to do is restart Microsoft Word. And all I have to do is I'll close it and actually close it all the way. I'll just right click it and hit quit. Now I'll reopen Word. And what you may notice is that it will take a little longer to open. That's because it's actually updating the font menu. So let's go to Word document. And now, if I look in here, let's go down to my L's. There's Little Bird. I'll make the font a little bigger. And you can see your font's there. So one more time we'll walk through this just to make sure you understand the process. I'm going to go to dafont.com, find a font I like, and you can see there's lots of different ones in here. Alright, and let's say script, and let's look at school. So you can see there's kind of nice cursive handwriting or different kind of letters. Alright, maybe I like this one. I click download. I'm going to save it in a folder called fonts in my documents. I'm going to find that folder, double click the zip folder, automatically opens up for me, and I can see it right here. Double click the font and hit install font. Now I could open up Microsoft Word. And remember, if you had Word open, that font may not show up right away. You may have to quit Word and come back into it. Now if I go into my Word document, and I can find that font, I believe it was in the S's. I actually forgot what it was called already. Let's see here. It was called PW. So let's go down to P. There it is. So that's how easy it is to install a font on your Mac OS X computer. Thanks for watching. Uh-oh. Let me quit this here.